Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got a new Innova Hycross. What all upgrades RSCARPREMIUM have done on Innova Hycross from base to top? So first thing on the exterior, you don't get a fog DRL or fog projector. So we have added a fog DRL and fog projector. So the headlights are molded, only we can upgrade parking light. So we have upgraded the parking light as well. So with respect to interior, customer wanted everything inside to be black. All the plastic in the interior are dipped to glossy black. For that, what we have done is, with steering, we have come up with a leather wrap which is black color with black color stitches. Even the car seat covers which we have upgraded with black color. The door pads also we have upgraded with black color. Along with that, the dashboard also we have upgraded with black color. There were few parts which were with the silver. So what we have done is, we have done with a glossy black. So we have added 7D matte also, completely black color. Finally, we added sun film to the car to make your car look more cooler inside, because everything interior is completely black. One of the most important thing what customer wanted was a good quality audio, but he did not want to have a huge bass. So what we have done is, we have added a focal component in the front, and on rear we have added focal coaxial and with a focal 4-channel amp. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded from base to top or wanted to add any accessories to your car, please do reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.